Motors, and I believe it's a charity event which is in the aid of the East Anglian Air Ambulance. So it's one we've never been to before, so we thought we'll give it a go.
Nice Saturday afternoon, isn't it?
Yeah, just for a couple of hours, isn't it? Just to see what's what, donate something, every little helps.
And when we're finished there, on the way home, we can see our daughter, can't we?
Yeah. So kill two birds with one stone, which will be nice, won't it?
And get ready, and then tomorrow we can get ready for Wednesday.
So yes, then we'll get ready for Wednesday, which is Old Warden, the NSRA Super Nationals, yes, which lots of people always like to go to, don't they? Well, we always like to go to it, don't we?
Well, it's the best hot rod thing in the country, really.
It is. So yeah, that will be for another vlog though. So today it's only Fools and Motors. We're going to see what's there. Hopefully a few cars different to what we see normally, because you never know, do you, when you go to these meets?
No, I don't know anybody that's going, but I'm sure we'll bump into people we know. We normally do, don't we?
Yeah, we'll soon find out.
What do you think to it?
Yeah, it's alright. Quite a few cars here, weren't there?
Yeah, there's a few still here.
Busy, weren't it, when we first turned up?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, so lots of people are going home now, aren't they? It's about 5:10. Still quite a few cars here, as you've just seen. So we now got, I don't know, feels like about a mile walk to get to ours, isn't it?
It's a long way down, isn't it?
It is. But I'm pleased we come.
The actual show bit's tiny, isn't it, really? The
Yeah.
show field.
Yeah.
And then there's all the big fields up here, where a lot of them are...
The cars, show cars, and also dailies, isn't it, down this end?
Yeah. More dailies than anything, really.
Yes,
but...
with the odd one in between, isn't it? I suppose, because I suppose really if they had that bigger field down here, I don't know.
But
anyway,
if not many people turned up,
yeah, it'd be empty, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
You get gravel in my feet now.
But I'll spin you around so you can see what's going on here. So that greets you when you come into this car park.
It's got little flashing lights, look.
You walk in it.
Different colours. Smurfinator, it's called.
So they're nearly all dailies what's left now, but there's a few nice cars amongst them.
Quite a few going now though, look.
Yeah. Nearly empty now, isn't it? Only started 2 hours ago as well, didn't it?
3 o'clock, yeah.
Yeah.
You've seen that mirror he's got in there, that films the back.
On the block. Oh, right.
Just love this old truck. It's really nice. It's got the windows open here, and you can just smell the age of it. It smells lovely. It's probably one of my favourite vehicles here. Do you like that, Jack?
Yeah. You like it, don't you?
I love it. But it really would be no good driving round. It's too old, isn't it?
Yeah. It's alright for a couple of miles down the road.
Yeah.
But no, it is lovely.
There's a few left. Nice fibre there. C10 pickup, like we used to have. Well, we're off home now. We've been chatting to different people as usual, haven't we? Met some new people we've never spoke to before.
Oh, and they used to live where we live as well, so that was quite interesting, wasn't it?
Yeah.
But yeah, it's 6:20, so for it being a little show, it's not been too bad, has it?
No.
Hello again.
Morning.
Is it? Oh, it is still morning, just. So today we're off out to Jed and Sandy's gathering.
It's Sunday morning, by the way.
Sunday morning, sorry. They have quite a large area where they can let people meet.
Well, we think we've never been.
No, I think it says there's 6 acres
Oh, right.
on the invite. And everybody takes a picnic and drinks with them, and then you just all sit around, have a little chat. I believe there's some music going to be played, and there's a DJ. Yeah, I believe there is a DJ there as well. I think Wendy's doing that. I'm not sure if it's Wendy or not. Obviously there's toilets available, and they have tea and coffee as well for you to be able to help yourselves. So this is, I believe, the 3rd year. We haven't managed to get to the other 2 for other reasons. So yes, it's quite nice.
Dragstalgia.
Well, Dragstalgia was last year. Yes, it did clash, and they know that Dragstalgia comes first, don't they? With you, Ian? So yeah, so hopefully the weather again is lovely. There should be quite a few people there, and it's just another little get together, because we all do like to have a little chat, don't we?
Yeah.
And I don't think it's the women who talk, I think it's the men who talk more than the women.
I don't know.
But anyway, we'll see what this one's like, and see if there's any different cars.
It's just a children afternoon and a picnic, really.
It is, yeah, it is. So, anybody who doesn't know the fence, we are very flat. But yeah, if you can see, this is the fence.
Plenty of wind farms, plenty of flat ground.
Yeah, all very flat. Just how we like it.
Yeah, we know what they're saying, don't it?
What do they say?
Where civilization ends, that's the fence.
And that's a song from the Ouse Valley Singles
It
Club,
is, yeah.
which we do like very much, don't we? Anyway, I've been preparing the lunch today, because I had to do it quite early, because we had to leave. And Ian apparently is absolutely starving. Yeah.
Can't wait for dinner. I'm so hungry, and I've been shopping on the internet.
Oh, you've been shopping ready for next week, aren't you, when we were away?
Yeah.
But
Just looking at food for an hour just makes you so hungry.
I like it when he has a little shop on the internet because he normally likes to cook things, don't you, on the barbie? Is like the right word? I don't know.
I love cooking on the barbie.
So you can choose the things that you would like to eat as well, can't you? It's just that it's never a surprise, is it? Because normally you don't know what you're getting, do you?
No.
So yeah, you've had a little look on there this morning, haven't you? I've sorted out the lunch.
Ordered some lamb burgers.
Oh, have you? Oh, okay.
Minted lamb burgers and straight lamb burgers.
Straight? What's a straight lamb burger?
Not minted.
Don't know if you'd say can have a straight lamb burger, please. Oh dear.
I've ordered some different cheeses as well
Oh, have you? Okay.
to go on the burgers and
Right.
whatever we're cooking.
Well, this is online shopping. I don't know if it'll turn up, but we'll have to see. We'll see tomorrow, won't we? So we've arrived, haven't we?
Yeah. It's in a showground or anything, this is someone's private house, isn't it?
It is in, yeah. It looks like a show.
It does, doesn't it?
Oh, I see. You've got tea and coffee there, look. There's a little arrow pointing. Wow. It's only 12:10 and there's loads of people here already. See, look, there's Wendy there doing the disco. And then this is your host here, Jed. Don't know where Sandy is.
Hey.
And that's Della with her tea and coffee.
There's Lou
Oh,
there,
and there's
look.
Lou. Oh yeah, look, Mick and Lou's over here.
Right, mate.
Always has to be one, doesn't it? Right, we'll go wherever you want to go, mate.
Yeah.
Hopefully you'll enjoy yourself.
Well, we'll try.
Have you fell out yet? Nearly. Oh, nearly, Lou. It's terrible. It is terrible.
Well, I'm outside my truck. I'm just going to have a little walk around the show. There's a lot of cars here, really. We've been here about 3 hours already. We haven't really done anything apart from chatting. We're going to have a walk around.
over 100 cars, lots of people to go in the cars. Just a real pleasure of catching up, talking to different people who we've never seen before. The grounds are absolutely beautiful, weren't they?
Yeah.
You would never believe that that was somebody's house. You would think that you was going to some, I don't know, country place, wouldn't you? I mean, it's lovely, really, really lovely. So we're now on our way home.
Well, we need to see our daughter, didn't we? Because it's really close to her again, like it was yesterday.
We should live out this way, really, it'd be easier. Yeah, so we've just been to see our daughter and her partner. So we're now on our way home.
We've only got about a half-hour drive.
Yeah. And yeah, just a lovely weekend, really, considering we wasn't quite sure what we was doing this weekend. Again, I know it's car related, but we like our cars, don't we? And that is what the Journey Rats are, aren't we?
Yeah, well, we're everything, aren't we? But it's the season at the minute. These sort of June, July and August, they're the 3 big months, aren't they, for the
Yes.
shows?
And I suppose the bonus is, because it has been nice weather as well, isn't it, that all the shows have been able to go ahead.
Yeah.
So I think that again, if you have watched this video and you liked it, if you could press the like button, it would be lovely. If you haven't subscribed, because we have seen that quite a few of the people who are watching haven't subscribed, if you could press the subscribe button, it is free, that would be absolutely wonderful.
And leave a comment.
And leave a comment, yeah, if you've got anything you want to ask us, no matter what it is, we will try and answer you where we possibly can.
Bumpy road.
Oh, it is a bumpy road.
Bumpy old Fen road, this is.
It is. And yes, if you would like to be notified when the next one is, if you can click on the bell, then you will be notified. So for now, oh gosh. So for now,
It's coming up to the real bump bit. I'm slowing down
Slow
to
down.
like 25 mile an hour now.
Honestly.
20 mile an hour.
so I think with that in mind, for now I'm going to say bye,
Adios.
and we'll see you on the next one.